Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Hot Wheels twist shifter is probably one of the most exciting and innovative toys to hit the market in recent years, offering a unique blend of speed, transformation, and imaginative play that captivates both children and adult collectors alike. This isn't just another die-cast car, it's a dynamic play experience that transforms from a sleek vehicle into an action-packed playset, providing endless opportunities for creative storytelling and thrilling races. Its ingenious design allows for quick and satisfying transformations, making it a standout addition to any Hot Wheels collection and a surefire way to spark joy and engagement during playtime. Number 5. Hot Wheels Color Reveal 2-Pack. Get ready for an exciting unboxing experience with these two mystery vehicles. Each one is packed with surprises just waiting to be revealed. Use the included barrel as a dunk tank to reveal the first surprise deco. Watch as the water changes color, transforming your car right before your eyes. Dip it in icy cold water to reveal another amazing design. Then, use warm water to change it back, and repeat the fun. You can switch between the two looks again and again. This means the fun and creative play never have to stop. There are so many different pairs to discover throughout the year. Kids and collectors will want to collect them all. These make a fantastic toy for children aged 3 and up. They'll love the thrill of creative car play and discovering new designs. What we like. This set offers 2 surprise vehicles with multiple color reveals. If you love the thrill of discovery and enjoy seeing cars transform, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for kids who enjoy imaginative play and collecting. What people say. The cars reveal as they are wet and then change colors back and forth when hot and cold. The quality of the cars were great and the size is the same as any Hot Wheels cars. The design for each car was amazing. The functionality is great, as the cars changed color depending on the temp of the water. When moved from iced water to bath temperature, the change is instant. Boys enjoy dipping just part of the car in the water to get special color effects. Number 4. Hot Wheels Color Shifters Vehicle. Get 2 awesome cars in one with this amazing vehicle. It magically changes color right before your eyes. Simply dip it in icy cold water to see its color transform. Then, use warm water to change it back again. You can repeat this color changing fun over and over. Race it, change it, and race it again with a whole new look. This vehicle is built in a 1-hour 64-minute scale, featuring authentic styling and cool design details you'll love. Perfect for kids ages 3 and up, they'll want to collect them all. Makes a fantastic gift for any young racer. What we like. Get 2 cars in one with this amazing color-shifting vehicle. If you're looking for a toy that offers dynamic play and a cool visual effect, this is it. It's great for kids who enjoy racing and want their cars to look different every time. What people say. The twist shifter works great and is a fun addition to the track. My son loves how the cars shift automatically when they hit the shifter. It's a cool feature that adds an extra level of excitement to the race. Number 3. Hot Wheels City T-Rex Transporter. Get ready for an epic adventure. This toy transforms from a vehicle transporter into a roaring T-Rex. Watch as it gobbles up your 1-hour 64-minute scale cars. It can even store over 20 vehicles inside. Pull the tail and it transforms into a T-Rex with awesome stomping action, lights, and sounds. The T-Rex's back opens up into a 2-lane racetrack. Race your cars and see who wins. Launch cars from its mouth for a spitting effect. Add to the excitement with glowing eyes and fun sounds. It comes with 2 Hot Wheels cars, making it the perfect gift for kids aged 4 and up. What we like. This hauler transforms into a roaring T-Rex with lights and sounds. If you want an action-packed playset that combines vehicle transport with a monstrous dinosaur experience, this is for you. It's perfect for kids who love dinosaurs, racing, and interactive play. What people say. It does everything that it is advertised to do, including eats the cars, poops the cars out, or the cars come out the tail end. The back of the dinosaur converts to a racetrack. It can be used for storing cars, it can connect to other Hot Wheels City toys, and much more. The best part of it is you can store cars, chomp them up, or race down the back off its tail. It scoops up and holds about 10 cars in its belly that it eats and will make it more fun for the kids to pick up their cars when done playing. Holds around 35 cars, in different places throughout the toy, has a built-in racing track that you can connect more tracks to, a car can be spit out its mouth, stands up and easily collapses back into the rolling vehicle post-ion. Number 2. Hot Wheels Track Builder Unlimited Corkscrew Twist Kit. Get ready for thrilling races with the Hot Wheels Track Builder Unlimited Corkscrew Twist Kit. This playset offers 2 exciting ways to send your cars soaring. Will you send your cars through the corkscrew loops or launch them straight at the target? The choice is yours as you experiment with different setups. It's all about mastering the challenge and experimenting with the force needed to hit the target. Can you perfect your launch technique? When playtime is over, conveniently store the launcher, target, and tracks in their designated spots on the playset. This set connects with other Hot Wheels tracks, allowing you to build and rebuild an endless track system of your own design. The possibilities are limitless. It comes with one Hot Wheels vehicle to get the fun started right away. This makes a fantastic gift for kids aged 6 and older. What we like. This kit offers 2 exciting ways to race with corkscrew loops. If you enjoy building and customizing your racetracks, this is an excellent addition. It's ideal for kids who love experimenting with physics and creating their own Hot Wheels adventures. What people say. Simple setup, and works great. Took some practice to be able to make the Hot Wheel to complete the track and shoot through the stunt ring, but not only was he able to get the car that came with the track to work, but he's now able to use several other Hot Wheels he already had on it as well. It came with a car, which was good because most cars even of the right size can't make it through the loops. This toy works with any Hot Wheels vehicle. The kids have fun with it. It is pretty stable and has lasted a couple years. It was easy to put together. It can be expanded by adding more tracks and parts. Number 1. Hot Wheels City Ultra Shark Car Wash. Get ready for an exciting adventure at the Hot Wheels City Ultra Shark Car Washington. This playset brings the fun of the Netflix series, Let's Race, right to your fingertips. Drive your car into the shark's mouth and press its head to start the magic. Watch as the special paint reveals a surprise deco as the water changes color. Want to see it again? Dunk it in icy cold water to change the deco. Then, use warm water to transform it back and drive through the car wash once more. This playset features realistic car wash details, including a foam roller and movable gates. It's designed for hours of imaginative storytelling in play. Enjoy mess-free play with the built-in water catcher. When playtime is over, simply fold it in half and use the handle to carry it away for easy storage. Lift the shark and watch your car race through its insides on the track. An opening underneath lets you follow its exciting journey. What we like. Experience interactive color-shifting play at this car wash. If you're looking for a fun, themed playset that includes a color reveal car and a mess-free design, this is a fantastic option. It's perfect for kids who enjoy imaginative storytelling and the excitement of a car wash. What people say. The toy is sturdy, vibrant, and works like a charm with their Hot Wheels cars. The spinning brushes and shark dunk tank feature are a huge hit, keeping them entertained for hours. It's easy to assemble, durable enough for their rough play, and cleanup is simple. It's bigger than I thought and very durable. And the child finds the car that changes color really fun. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.